If you're looking to save money on your next Amazon purchase, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to show you how to find Amazon promo codes and coupon codes for 2024. Let's get into it. First things first, let's start with Amazon's own website. Sometimes Amazon offers promotions directly on the site. Visit amazon.com and check today's deal. On the deals section, here you might find some limited time offers and discounts. On the deals page, you can browse through various categories like lightning deals, deal of the day, back to school, off to college. These often include promotional discounts that don't require a promo code. To find specific promo codes, try searching in Google. Type in Amazon promo code or Amazon coupon code 2024 followed by the product category you're interested in. For example, Amazon promo code electronics 2024. Now, several websites specialize in listing promo codes and coupons. Some popular ones include Groupon, RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, and Honey. Visit the sites and search for Amazon to find available codes. When you find a promo code you want to use, make sure to read the terms and conditions. Some codes may have minimum purchase requirements or restrictions on certain items. To apply a promo code on Amazon, add the items to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see an enter promo code field. Paste or type your code there and click apply. And there you have it. That's how you can find and use promo codes to save money on Amazon in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.